So today in this video we are going to unboxing this video panel light. This is one of the cheapest professional panel light. If you are trying to create a professional video or professional photography, then this video might be the best solution. If you are searching the budget panel light, or if you are searching the very cheapest panel light, then this is the best solution. You will get the different type of the feature in this panel light. So in this unboxing video you will get all the details about this 24 inches panel light. If you are doing the indoor videography or indoor photography, then you will get this professional remote and professional grip and professional stand, okay, so in the very cheap price. So if you are also trying to buy, or if you are also trying to purchase this panel light, so it's too much easy. So we are going to unboxing it. So first of all, we are removing all the plastics from here. So inside here I got a package. So I got a stand also in free of cost. So first of all, I'm going to throw it. Okay, so now you can see here it have a very nice package. So I'm going to unboxing it. Okay, so it is providing me different type of the features and different type of the things also. So so I'm going to open it. Okay, so it is providing me few things. Okay, so I'm going to opening it. So now you can see here from this side I'm going to pull out this one. So this is the product. Okay, so now you can see here it is the RL-24 inches model light. Okay, so it have the color temperature also from 25K to 75K, so which is very good. So I got a remote also. So from this remote I can easily control the panel light. Okay, so I'll get the battery also in free of cost with this remote. So we can easily control the light temperature and different type of the lights. Basically this light have two mode, and the one is the orange color and the second one is the studio vivid light. So it is one of the easiest and very useful if you are trying to do indoor photography or indoor videography. So it is one of the cheapest. So just I purchased this video light in $24. So if you want to also purchase this one, so I'm going to give you a video purchase link in the video description. Okay, so now you can see here it is giving me a few description here also, so you can read this one. Okay, so there is a power plug also and there is a screw also, so you can adjust the screw as per your requirement. So now I'm going to fix this one from here. So now we can see here I'm going to plug in the power cable, and so now we can see it is working perfectly. So I can easily control the video light with the help of remote. Okay, so I'm going to control this one. So it have the nice and amazing grip also, which is very good. So I can I can adjust the height of the panel light also. So now we can see I'm controlling the light mode from the remote. So it's too much easy and too much best quality video light. If you are trying to purchase the cheapest video professional light, then this video light might be the best solution for you. Okay, so now we can see here, so it is have the nice finishing also and finished packaging. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas about the RL-24 inches video light. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.